Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help how to care of newborn baby, updated. Gently support the head during handling and practice safe swaddling without covering the face. Keep feeds on demand and burp the baby after feeding to reduce discomfort. Monitor diaper output and skin tone for signs of hydration. Maintain calm, dim lighting for naps and skin-to-skin time to strengthen bonding and regulate temperature. Establish a comfortable feeding routine by following your baby's hunger cues and keeping sessions calm. Hold the baby upright for burping and try gentle pats or rubs to help release air. Rotate positions between feedings to prevent pressure sores and encourage even muscle development. If breastfeeding, watch the latch for comfort. If bottle feeding, check nipple flow. Always observe your baby for fullness and signs of discomfort during feeds. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support more helpful tips. Quick recommendation. The book The Simple Path to Wealth is a great read that can change how you think about money and reduce stress as you care for a newborn, which can be a huge relief. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Create consistent sleep cues like dim lights and soft sounds to help your newborn wind down. Always lay the baby on their back on a firm surface and avoid loose bedding or soft toys. Use swaddling and white noise to recreate the womb environment and try skin-to-skin or gentle rocking when they fuss. Gradually introduce short awake periods to support day-night differentiation and healthy sleep habits.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.